In the midst of Nintendo announcing the release of their Switch 2 and the Sony PS Portal dropping later this year, I decided to go on a search for a new handheld system to play. So I decided to search the internet and I found the X2 by Dream Magical, a handheld console that looks nearly identical to the PSP and claims to hold over 1,200 games ranging from the NES to the PS2. The system had a 5-star review on Amazon, but I was a bit concerned when I read reviews that had nothing to do with the system itself and made references to a kid's birthday party. What's that all about? The system came with a charger and headphones. It has an X, A, B, and Y button, an analog stick, and 2 left-right trigger buttons at the top. A port for USB, and a charger, and the earplugs. The home screen only displayed 10 games, mostly from the Game Boy and Game Boy Advance. But I did enjoy playing some of the classics like Dragon Ball Z and Crash Bandicoot Advance. I did run into a few issues with the A button getting stuck, which got frustrating when I had to jump over obstacles and enemies. God damn it. Come on, jump. The system also comes with an auxiliary cord that you can use to hook your games up to the TV. Well, there you have it. The X2 is not quite the new PSP, but if you enjoy playing the old Game Boy and Game Boy Advance games, it can be fun. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment below if you know any other handhelds I should review. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any good content. All right, peace.